it's AJ, and this will be an entry for Lockpicking Gals giveaway. You basically just said pick a lock. So here it is. We have this nice round American lock. We're going to give it a whirl. Maybe, possibly. Everybody's doing giveaways lately. That's great. Just shows the support of the community. I've said it before. The greatest people on this planet. If the rest of the world was like this community, probably wouldn't be any problems in this world. At least all us. No, I can't pick this thing. You can hear that in the background, that dumb puppy drinking water. Whoops. Maybe I can't pick this today. There it goes. And we're open. Alright everybody, Lockpicking Gal, great, good for you, congratulations. Everybody else, thanks for watching, stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and keep on picking.